Welcome everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll be creating a visually striking percentage counter text animation in After Effects. Let's dive right in. To start, ensure you have your background set up in the timeline. Next, grab the text tool and type your chosen number. I'll use 97 for this demonstration. Select the text and choose a bright color, such as vivid red, to make it pop. We'll be using the Montserrat font, which is available for free on Google Fonts. Now let's center the text both horizontally and vertically. Don't forget to set the anchor point to the center for more seamless animation. Increase the font size to about 250 for better visibility. With the text layer selected, navigate to Effects and Presets and search for Slider Control. Drag and drop this effect onto your text layer. Expand the text layer's properties to find the source text option. I have an expression you can download from the description below. Let's copy that. Holding the Alt key, click the stopwatch next to source text to open the expression tab. Paste the expression using Ctrl+V. Feel free to adjust the target number. I'll set mine to 57. Press Enter to apply the expression and check out our animation. It looks fantastic. To streamline our view, press U to hide the expression. Next, expand the text layer again, click Animate, and choose the position property. Make sure your playhead is at the beginning of the timeline. Set a keyframe for the position while moving the text slightly below its final place. Navigate forward about 2 seconds in the timeline and reset the position to center it again. This creates a smooth entry animation. Now let's enhance this effect. Click the Add button again and select Opacity. Make the initial opacity keyframe 0%. Then at the 2-second mark, raise it to 100% for a full fade-in effect. Next, add another property, Blur. Set the initial blur to around 20% at the start and move the playhead to 2 seconds, setting the blur to 0. Select all the keyframes and hit F9 for easy ease. Open the graph editor to fine-tune your animations. Adjust the curves for a smoother transition. After reviewing the animation, hit U to hide properties again. Now let's create an additional text layer. Use the Type tool to enter total population. Change its color to white. Decrease the font size to approximately 65 and align it accordingly. Set the anchor point to the center and position it under the percentage text. With the text layer selected, modify the style to semi-bold italic. Again, hit U to reveal the properties of the original text layer. Select all keyframes, copy them with Ctrl+C, then paste them onto the second text layer using Ctrl+V. Adjust these keyframes to start slightly later in the timeline for a seamless transition. For the total population text, to animate from below, select the position keyframes and move them down vertically so it starts below the frame. Review your animation. It should look impressive. Now let's add a finishing touch. Select the first text layer and apply the deep glow effect. Adjust the radius to around 150 and set the exposure value to 0.30. Open the Chromatic Aberration tab, enable it, set the channels to red and green, and adjust the amount to 0.30. Copy these properties, Ctrl+C, and paste them onto the total population layer. Finally, let's observe our completed animation. It's fantastic. Don't hesitate to try this animation in your projects. You can find the project file and expression linked in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please share, comment, and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.